Yep, it's El Proto again, and this is alloneprostudio. And today we want to look at this guy, the fruity delay 2. So we want to look at it. Let me just put something to the snare here so that we can study it. Okay, so let's hit play. So that's what we want to look at. Let's see the knob we have here. On the input side we have the pan knob. So let's work with the graphics here. Let me recolor this. Okay, just quick recolor there. So I want to look at this thing. When I hit play, let's see what happens now. On default, so that's what happens on default. Not touching anything. Let's go to the pan knob. If I take it all the way to the left, you see the delayed signal in the left. So there's a pan knob. So that's it. If I take it to the right, it will then be in the right. So that's what happens to the delayed signal. To reset, you right click on the knob and just go to reset, and to reset it to the middle. Now this is volume. Let's see what happens. No delay. Input volume, take it all the way up. Let's hear what happens. You hear the volume of the delayed signal. Let me take it a little bit, not too high. So that controls the volume of the delayed signal. Reset. Feedback. This normal leaves everything as normal, like you've been saying. It's just normal. This invert here makes it in a way that if your pan knob is to the left, then this invert makes your signal, delayed signal, be to the right. So let's see where your delay signal will go. So pan it left, delay signal to the right. Pan it right, delay signal will go to the left. So that's for the invert. Now the ping pong mode, I did this in our last video, shows the ping pong mode. So it will take it left, right, left, right, left, right. Let me just add this. If you put it halfway, it will now take it halfway, left, right, left, right, left, right. So let's take it halfway. Let's enjoy ourselves. All right. So halfway, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, what next? Let me leave it at normal. You reset the volume of the feedback. So this is what we get. Let me take it all the way down so that you hear for yourself. It's just like one, you know. But when I take the volume of the feedback all the way, you hear your delay for eternity. The feedback was even still on when the other one came up. That's it. That's the work of this knob. Let me put it, reset it. So it's to the middle. This cuts off the high end, so you hear something like this. Let me take it to the middle. You hear something like this. So it's like the high end disappears, but if I take it all the way down, you hear no sound from the delayed signal. So that's it. So that's it. That's what it does. Let me reset it. The time signature is to set your different timing of the delay, so you can go from this one. So maybe this one 8/4 and the likes. But you have different time signature. You just arrange it there. Hey, behave yourself. Okay, so that's it. It's taking a 4. So it depends what you want, whether you want quarter note or whatever. So that's just the timing. That's what the timing does. The offset is like kind of stereo effect. Creates a kind of stereo widening. So you get something like this. If I take it to the left, so it creates this kind of widening effect, left-right effect. It delays one side of the delay. So either the left or the right delays one part. Let me see which side it delays. Let's see. It's now to the left. Sorry. So okay, so if I take it to the left, it delays the left. If I take it to the right, it delays the right. Let's hear it all the way. Let's do it again. So it delays the right. It works in a different way from the ping pong mode. It's not like, oh, why can't we do it in the no? You can't do it in the ping pong because it's kind of different. Let's hear it, sir. So there's this stereo effect that it creates with that. The last thing here is the dry knob. So let me take it all the way down. Let me reset this. What you hear is this. So it's all the way down, so there's no dry signal in it now. What you just get is the wet signal. But if I take it all the way there up, you see the dry signal really present. The dry signal is out when I take it all the way down, and this is the way we use it for our send effect. I have a video on the send all this stuff. I will check it out and leave it in the video card of this video. So this is for the dry, the percentage of dry in the whole thing, delay thing. So hope you've gotten a thing or two from this video on fruity delay in FL Studio 12. If you like the video, like it, and please leave a comment. Tell me what you think about the video. I just want to hear from you guys. It's great to hear from you guys. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. I'm a Proto. This is All One Pro Studio. That's it. Morning.